Now let's see a demo of how we really bring out the power of MS Office. We'll use the combination of Access with Microsoft Word and Microsoft Outlook to prepare email messages that can be sent from database registrants, in this example registrants in a seminar, to send them a confirmation of their registration. We start with setting up a query in Access that pulls together the information from three tables: the seminars table, the enrollment table, and the trainers table. And you can see that the fields that we've pulled from there would define the confirmation information that needs to be sent to all of the registrants in the particular seminar that we pick. You'll notice that I have a new type query criteria on the description. If we take the square angle brackets and insert a question, what this will do is ask a question when we run the query to select the seminar. And just for random selection here, I picked the Managing Stress seminar. And all the other fields will zero in on just those fields that have the Managing Stress seminar. Notice that this is also a make table query. Make table will make a temporary table and pull this information together. That temporary table will become the source of information that will be sent to the Microsoft Word merge document that I'll show you in a second, and that will also be connected to the Outlook. Notice we've taken all the fields, and we must also take the email field for each of the registrants so that we can actually use that email field to send the messages in Outlook. Now, if we execute this, you'll notice that when we execute it, it's going to go to a temporary table called registrations temp, and that is a temporary table. So we'll execute that query. It indicates that an existing table will be deleted before we run the query, and that's true. If we have one set up, it will set up a new one. And now as we run the query, it will create the records for Managing Stress. What you now see is a document that's been created in Microsoft Word, and you can see the narrative that has been created inside. If I go to the mailings location in Microsoft Word, you will see that I can preview results. Well, you'll see the name that is associated with the Managing Stress workshop. If I click on the preview results, you'll see that these in fact are names of fields that we've taken from the database that merge into this document. If I click on the recipient list above, I can see that I have these records all coming in to this mail merge, and this is coming directly from the AC01 database and from our temporary table that we set up there. So once these fields are identified in here, when I click on preview results, I will see the first record, and as I click the record locator up above and move to the second record, you'll see all the information merge for the second person. If I click to the end, you'll see that we have a total of 6 email merges. Now what will happen is that when I select up here, finish and merge, when I said send email messages, it will take the email address. I need to type in a subject line, so we're going to title this Registration Confirmation. And there will be 6 individual emails sent to each of these individual registrants in this customized format. very specific to their particular registration: date, time, location, etc., and indicating the name of the instructor. So when I click OK, that will send each of the 6 email messages to the respective individuals. Now, if I go to my Microsoft Outlook and go to the sent items, I will see in the sent items that each of those have been sent to specific individuals. In this case, first registration confirmation, you can see, is in my outbox, and it goes to the person that I've sent it to. So now I have a permanent record in my outgoing messages box in my Outlook that confirms that all of those messages were sent. It's a very handy tool. You can send hundreds and hundreds of email merge messages that are very personalized, and it's certainly an efficient way to be personal. Hope this helps.